What is up, everyone? This is your boy, Mr. Product Reviews, and today we will be doing a review on the Apple Watch, and this is the Series 5 Space Gray aluminum case. Can't talk today. And it's the black sport band, wristband, and this is the 40 millimeter version of it, and so this is the smaller of the two because I have a fairly small wrist, so I opted for the smaller one. And next, what we'll do is we will do the unboxing. All right, so originally what I was planning to do was to remove this plastic beforehand, before I do the unboxing, because, just to shave out a couple of seconds here and there. But what I've noticed is I've always appreciate kind of like the user experience that Apple tries to do. So it looks like there's a little tab that, like, I assume that you can remove the plastic easily. So I'm gonna give it a try, and just wanted you guys to see. So I'm gonna try and do this. So it looks like it peels right off like that, and oh wow, okay, so there you go. Like that was pretty cool with the little tabby thing. And then usually the box is pretty hard to open because you gotta, like, shake it or whatever, but it looks like there's these little tabs, so I'm gonna just gonna be like, well, is it like this? Like, what's this? Oh, see, okay, so you just lift these two tabs, it opens up. Oh wow, okay, very, very cool. So as you can see on the camera, this is very, very cool. So it looks like this is the wristband. Then now comes the box. So little logo here, and then some information. And so yeah, let me just, very easy. Slide right out, almost. And then here's the watch. It has some, looks like a holder of some sort. So it looks like that. Looks like a little sponge tab. So okay, slides right off like that. So there you go. The side. All right, and then what else is in here? Let's see. Looks like so you have some more information, how to set up, various things on how to set up watch and things like that. And then here's your charger, and here's your electrical outlet. Are there anything else? I doubt it, but let's just see. Is there anything else in here? It looks like it's pretty tight, so like I think it's meant for me to not to pull it out. Okay, so that's that. And then how do I open this? Is there an easy way to open this? Okay, so looks like there's a little tab there. Sorry, one moment. All right, so yeah, I just grab the tab, open that. Got it. All right, so I got it. I couldn't see it from the camera, so open that, slide that open, and what do we have? Looks like some paper, some stuff, some warranty, I guess. And then you open that again, showing you how to slide your watch, how you slide your strap in. All right, so there you go, two strap. I guess you have a longer one and a shorter one. I think I am going to use the shorter one because as I mentioned, I have a fairly small wrist, so I'm going to use the shorter one along with this. So next what I'm going to do is I am going to put these together, get it set up, and turn on the watch and check it out. All right, so it's been about a week since I've been using my new Apple Watch, and it's definitely a huge improvement from the previous Apple Watch I had. So the last one I had was a Series 2, and so this is a Series 5, so pretty much bumped up by 3 generation, right? And so far I'm liking it. So one of the gripe I had with the Series 2 was that I felt like the UI wasn't very snappy, but with the 5, and let me just unlock my watch real quick. So with the 5, I noticed that the UI is much more snappier. It's just, things are just way more responsive. And also, when you wear on your wrist, it's always on, so it doesn't turn off, which is nice because you don't have to like flick your wrist to turn on your watch and things like that now. So which is nice because you know, with the always on display. And also, the battery life is also pretty much better than Series 2. With my Series 2, I have to charge it every night. With this watch, I think if I don't push it, I could probably go for 2 days, possibly without charging if I'm not using this too extensively. Like, you know, right here it says 46%. And I did a quick recharge today, and it looks like this watch can get back to full capacity in about an hour of charging, so which is super cool, super awesome. And I mentioned this can last you for about 2 days depending on your usage and whatnot. Overall, I like it. I think Apple have made some huge improvement from the last watch I had, and you know, they always do that anyway. In terms of setup, it was super simple. You know, like if you guys have Apple product, you guys probably know how you know, simple it is to set up a Apple Watch. Is, you know, pretty much follow the instruction, next, you know, agree to some, you know, documents, what have you, and then you're done. So overall, like I mentioned, really like this watch. I'm really happy with it. And I think I'll be continuing using it, you know, for my exercise, like running and stuff. So anyway, that's it for Mr. Product Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and definitely subscribe to my channel. Other than that, Mr. Product Reviews out.